In today's CFA talk show, we will be talking about building a website that showcases your skills and portfolio. What are those, really? Hey, you don't
The
laugh lah,
radio, no,
really.
the radio person comes in already. You all know when that voice comes in means you are tuning in to TFA radio. You should have like a TFA radio
TFA
episode.
radio.
Yeah.
TFA radio. Okay. Okay. Sure,
Okay,
we will
so
submit.
sorry.
We will submit the application, okay?
Yeah.
I submit application. Okay, can.
What's
Got
the
it.
question just now you were saying? Sorry.
You see, never pay attention.
No, because
Never pay attention, right?
I'm so, like mesmerized by your voice. Okay,
Thank you.
sorry.
I am
Yes.
very honored. I'm very honored. Okay, yes. So today's topic, we'll be
Yeah.
talking about building a website,
Ah.
showcasing your skills and portfolio.
Okay.
Yes.
So I think before we even go into the topic, it's like, why is it very important for freelancers to even have a website? I think we have said quite a few times that having a website is important because it's like a home to your services. It's like a home to your portfolio. You house everything in one place where it can be searchable through SEO engine. It's kind of like easy for everyone to search what you do, what kind of projects have you done, what are some of your clients, because if you actually put all this in like a social media, not enough space. Like, what are you going to put? Like, are you going to put like one photo with all this information? And we have experienced like social media going offline, going down, got hacked. And I think that website is really very important, so at least your potential clients know where to find you. So that's one thing that I feel that it's very important to have website, especially for freelancers. If you're still toying the idea of having a website, stop toying the idea. Stop toying with the idea. Stop it. Yeah, stop it and do your website, because I think it's now a lot of tool that it's available out there to create website easily, right?
Yep.
So it's not like something where when I first started my freelance journey, where I have to learn all the codings. Wow, tiring, no, that one, because you
that is
don't have
during your
experience.
time, is it?
The
Your time is the coding.
HTML, the HTML, the don't know what the coding lah they have. So you have to like do from scratch, and then it's not like something that's a WordPress or whatever. It's like really a dynamic, you kind of like put it in a folder, you type the coding in a notepad, and then you save it as HTML, and then you put up in a hosting. So now don't need don't need, it's all drag and drop. Okay, so create your website. It's very important. Okay, AJ.
Okay, since we're on the topic about website, back then and now, still always learning something new. Even though Rini and myself, we've known each other for like 3
years.
Entering 3 years, is it? Or 3 years already?
I think maybe 4 years, because we start TFAs. We start TF 2020, but we've known each other since 2019.
All right. So based on that, we've known each other for 4 years. Okay, 4 years, mind you. And every day I'm always learning something new about Rini. I didn't know that last time website you have to put inside a folder in a notepad and everything else. So thank you, technology, 4 years later. I mean, not 4 years later, like now. Thank you, technology, for like being amazing and dragging and dropping and making it easy for us. So I stand by this group of people, because I am one of them. Despite having this drag and drop, right? We still find it a chore to do it, because building a website requires time, requires energy, requires our brain effort, and if you're starting out as a freelancer, there's a lot of things that you have to juggle, right? So I'm just sharing from a point of view whereby you're just starting out, because as a freelancer you're alone, and there's a lot of things that you have to juggle that it might affect your mental wellness, mental being. Okay, so if let's say dragging and dropping, even though it's as easy as it sounds like, and you feel it's still a chore, you can always outsource it to other
Yeah.
freelancers who
True.
have their niches are in website building. Okay.
Yeah.
And if you're wondering like, oh no, it's going to be very expensive, I'm just starting out, I don't think I can afford one or something, then you work within your budget.
Yeah.
Okay, you work within your budget. If really you don't have the financial capacity to hire one, if you have to do it yourself, do a simple one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It is don't expect it to be perfect. But the important thing is something is already there.
Correct.
Outside in
Correct.
the website universe.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's such thing.
I mean, it's as good as just creating one page.
Yes.
You don't have to have multiple pages to have a website. So just one page, your name, what do you do, and then your services for your clients, and what is, especially of course you must have call to action lah. You cannot just have that information and then you don't have call to action.
No emails, no contact.
I as a potential client, how am I supposed to contact you?
Exactly.
Because I think now it's all about fast movement kind of era, even whether it's video, audio, right? Writing, everything, it has to be fast. The information has to be on, basically information has to be fed in that sense.
Fed?
It has to be
like fed to you?
Like fed to you. Like if like for example your website don't have like email address, I'm not going to go to your other social media platform and find your email address or whatever, because that is a waste of time on my side as a potential client. So you as the service provider should actually put all the details, how you want your potential client to get connected with you is basically on your part to actually put it on your website lah. So one pager, good enough. I think it's really a good start, and then slowly you can always upgrade
build from build from there. Once your business is kicking up, and then you can hire someone to make it a bit nicer for you, then go ahead. So do not worry if your first website looks like crap. It's okay, we've all been there. Okay, we've all been there at the crappy stages. But the most important thing is for it to actually be out there. And you have, like what Ridi mentioned, a home. Yeah. Right? We all start with like, I call it stick houses, paper houses. Okay, we all start with those kind of houses. And then having a home is important because that is where we showcase our skills and our portfolio. So as we grow as a freelancer, our website grows, our skill grows, our portfolio also grows together with us. So I feel that's one beautiful thing about being a freelancer. We can always look back, see our progress, tap ourselves on the shoulder, a good job, and it's a learning journey. I feel it's a learning process. So
I think also if I were to start freelancing now, right, I would appreciate, remember the bootcamp that we had last weekend? We had Eunice talking about website. I really appreciate the wire work that she provided, because with that wire work, is it called wire work?
Wireframe. Wireframe.
Wire work different. It's like,
isn't this your area?
Yeah. No, website is not my area. When website been my area? No, my IT is the hardware one. It's not the
IT.
it's the network.
Not the
software. Not the software. Yeah.
Wireframe.
Okay. I would actually appreciate the wireframe to kickstart so that I don't feel overwhelmed, because sometimes, right, everything is in your brain. Even if you want to write down also, what to write down. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
But with that wireframe, I think if I were to start the freelancing business now, that wireframe will really help me to kickstart at least a pager of a website. Yeah. So that is something that I learned from the bootcamp last weekend. It's last weekend, right? Last weekend.
Yes, actually, it was last month. It's on the 29th and 30th of April, 2023.
Yes. Yeah. So that was really an eye-opener for me, because I didn't know about this wireframe at all until I attend Eunice session.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think to touch on that as well, if you guys are still wondering what is this wireframe, sure, you can Google it, or you can actually purchase our recorded version of the bootcamp. You get to see all the fun stuff that we do, and you also get to learn the stuff that we learned on during the bootcamp as well. Okay, so coming back, yes, so website it's important. Okay, it's important to showcase who we are as a freelancer. And I think you know, I mean, those who are watching this, you guys can really resonate, because as much as we want to do social media like our soul, you know, you use social media as our soul as the only, you know, place to showcase our works. You know, things happen. Yeah, so before that happens, and before, you know, like we crumble and cry over spilled milk, you know, let's save ourselves that tears and create a stick home, which is called a website. Okay, and then at least there's something there for people, you know, to always come back. If anything happens, we're not trying to like jinx anything, but if anything happens, you can always make announcement. Hey, you know, I'm still here, even though my account is not here, you know, on social media. I'm still here. Please head over to my website if you want to engage me and, you know, connect with me. Anything else to add? Anything else to add regarding this website?
I think no. I mean, there's a lot of topics that we can touch on website, but let's not overwhelm our listeners and our viewers
and
ourselves, the freelancers. Kickstart with something simple first. That's the most important thing. If you are not sure, you can always you know, get on call with us, or you can straight away go and purchase the bootcamp that we just had recently. It has all the details, all the information that you want to do to kickstart your website. And then if you need, you know, like after you have done the wireframe, you need like some input or whatever, you can always get on call with us so that we can kind of like help you in that sense.
Yes, correct. So so let us emphasize again, those of you who have missed our bootcamp, it was really amazing. Great people, great trainers. We've learned a lot, you know, even though like the two of us we're there to run the event, but at the same time we also learn from other freelancers, which is an amazing thing. And you know, we just learn from each other and just how to be better in our business. Okay, so if you're watching this, wherever you guys are, please follow us on all our social media platforms. We're on every platform you think, you name it, we will be there. And if we are not there, let us know. We will also end up being there as well. Okay, so yes, thank you for tuning in. And if you have any comments about a website, or you want to share your journey about website building, or you know, building your skills or your portfolio, feel free to drop it in the comment below.
All right, see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.